Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, where is it? There it is. We are going to do this. This is a Itsuki what is it? Tempura Udon. So basically, ebi is shrimp, tempura is fried stuff, and udon is thick noodle. And it's from Japan. Came in an umai crate, which is a product of Japan. So now I am going to do these a little different than the packaging, but that's okay. I'm a professional, don't worry about it. Don't worry, you sweet little noodle heads about it one bit. So, hey. We have a big pouch of udon. And udon is pre-cooked. There's really not much you have to do to it except for heat it up. And that's why I'm going to dispense with the wackiness and just hit it the way it should be hit. So you drop it in. And literally in hot water, they're talking about using boiling water. There's no point because it's already cooked. Boiling it isn't going to do anything. You just kind of let it chill, you know, do a little bit of wiggle, and it just kind of springs to life. It doesn't get any thicker, it doesn't get any thinner. I guess you could leave it in the water for like an hour. I wouldn't do that. It'd probably just fall apart eventually because, I mean, it is still a noodle product. But, yeah, and it's almost ready to go. It's funny because some places will take those pouches, or products that have those pouches, and put them in the refrigerated section, and they don't need to be refrigerated. Some places will just leave them out. It's really funny. And some companies will put refrigerate, even though, I mean, granted, if it has a liquid base sachet inside, that might need refrigeration. Generally, udon is a Korean or a Japanese thing, and I think the only time it would apply would probably be Japanese varieties, although I could be wrong about that. But anyways, yeah, and here we have our udon. It's all slippery and bloppy and gloppy and fun, and it is ready to go. And literally all you do now is take your seasoning, drop it in, and stir it with love. Alright, let's give that sucker a taste. Udon is pretty uniform. When it comes in a pouch kind of setting like this, it's always going to be about the same. There's really no, like, you know, udon infused with this or that. Now, if you get this one, or you've had it in a umai crate, you might be going, how did you know how much water to use, dude? There's no information about the water amount. Well, I'll tell you. I took the bowl, which I've already cut up and thrown away because I scanned the sides of it. I took the bowl, filled water to the line, poured it in a measuring cup. I allowed for displacement of said noodle block. I came to about 390 milliliters. So that's what I used, and it came out. This broth is just as I would expect it out of a bowl. And here is the udon. As far as shrimp flavor goes, I'm not getting a whole lot of that action going on. I'm getting more of a, we don't want, which one did we want? Uh-oh. I think we want this one. But as far as like a shrimp taste, no, not so much. But we're not done. So let's just pour this in. Because there's another star that's about to come into play. The tempura element. Garnish this real quick with some fresh, spankin' fresh mung bean sprouts from 99 Ranch Market. And some, here, you can get out of my way while I do this. Thank you. Spring onion. And finally, it's tempura udon, right? So you get a disc of tempura. Now, I know there's a lot of different ways probably that you're supposed to use this stuff. I only do it one way. I kind of put it on the side and leave it half in and out of the broth. By doing this, you get to taste it as it's crunchy, and you get to taste it kind of sogged up a little bit. Here's a better look at it. Give a little nibble. Crunchy. Smells like shrimp, that's for sure. Light shrimp flavor. You go like that. And I think we could stand to have some stuff that's on the shelf up here. Let's use some of this. And some of this that doesn't want to come out of the thing here. Oh yeah, I haven't even opened this. Oh boy. So let's throw some sesame seeds on there. That always... It's a sesame seed party. Who doesn't want to be invited to a sesame seed party, ladies and gentlemen? I know, I love me a good sesame seed party. Have I used this? Oh, I must have. It smells kind of peppery and it's kind of green. This is called Sanseo Japanese Pepper. And yeah, this is from S&B. They're an old school Japanese brand, a lot of condiments and junk. So let's get a little bit going on there. Calling it a day, folks. I think that's gonna do it. And I'll give a taste to it after it's gotten all the glamour shots done, but there you go. There is your Itsuki, and I'm gonna go with Kumamoto shrimp ramen udon just because of that guy right there. That's Kuramon. He is the mascot of Kumamoto province. And yeah, well, cool. I hope you enjoyed that, and go check out Umai Crate. I'll try to remember and put a link in this. If I don't, then just look up Ramen Rater Umai Crate, and you'll see the latest unboxing as well as a zillion others. So, all right, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.